Hi, this is Abid Khas.
Monday an impeachment article against Donald Trump to the Senate, charging the former president with inciting violence leading to the deadly January 6th Capitol riot. 9 House Democrats appointed by House Speaker Nancy Pelosi as impeachment managers will serve as prosecutors in the upcoming trial. The impeachment managers made the ceremonial walk through the Capitol building to the upper chamber to deliver the article. At least 17 Republicans would need to join all 50 Democrats to convict Trump by a two-thirds majority. In Trump's first impeachment trial held last year, which lasted 3 weeks, only one Republican senator, Mitt Romney, voted to convict Trump on abuse of power charge. India celebrated its 72nd Republic Day with a parade exhibiting its military might on Tuesday in New Delhi. Tanks, dressed horse cavalries, and missile carriers were among the parade's highlights. According to a local media, the number of attendees for this year's festivities were limited due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, and seating was arranged with social distancing measures. Meanwhile, hundreds of farmers protesting against agriculture reforms clashed with police in New Delhi's outskirts. A team of Nimbali climbers that made the first winter summit of K2, the world's second tallest peak, arrived back in the country to a hero's welcome on Tuesday. The 10 men who climbed K2 on January 16th attributed their success to team spirit and a resolve to raise their country's pride. Tuesday to enter the historic Red Fort complex in the capital and hoist flags after clashing with police. Some protesters drove tractors erratically in the city, and an unidentified man was killed after a tractor tumbled. Security personnel continued to fire tear gas, and in one location, protesters were spotted trying to shift a bus. Armed and ready to go, Taiwan Air Force jets screamed into the sky in a drill to simulate a war scenario, showing its fleet's battle readiness after dozens of Chinese warplanes flew into the island's air defense zone over the weekend. Taiwan, claimed by China as its territory, has been on edge since the large-scale incursion by Chinese fighters and nuclear-capable bombers into the southwestern part of its air defense identification zone on Saturday and Sunday, which coincided with the US carrier group entering into the South China Sea. China has provided no public explanation for what its aircrafts were doing at the weekend. Washington responded by calling on China to cease pressuring Taiwan and reaffirming its commitment to the democratic island. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.